Just here to bring you a new video. So basically today we're going to speak about a banking app called Spot Money. It's a new, I think, revolution of banking. What they call it is open banking. So let's get started. First, let's go into the Spot Money website just to give you a preview of what the website shows. The only money app you ever need. You're not a bank, you're not a payment app, you're not the best of both. With the new Spot app, you can do more bank and bank less. So you grab your ID, password, and driver's license and sign up from your sofa. That's basically what you need to start getting with the Spot. They're not just an app, they give you rewards and do a bit of banking, but you need loans with them, insurance, and they also have shows you a bit of the fees and limits. And we go through here, you can see the transactions for what is top up is free, top up in store is free, salary deposit is free, top up with link, one top up to max of 1,000 rand is free once per month. Thereafter, 3% fee of amount topped up applies. Example, if you top up with 100 rand after your first top up, you will pay 3 rand. Cash out is at your local 5 rand. Cash out in store, non-week code 6 rand plus 0.5% of cash out value. International 65 rand. Cash out in store, week code local 8 rand plus 0.5% of cash out value. So as you can see, it's quite reasonable. I don't think it's too hectic. As you can just see as I'm going through this, buying on the platform for airtime is all free, paying your bills, school fees, paying DSTV, sending some cash spot to spot, it's all free. So yeah, as you see, we also have transaction limits per day. Total transactions is 15 and the total amount is 30,000 per month, 90 days, 90 transactions, 50,000 per annum, 1,080 transactions, 600,000. Your cash out limits is 3,000 per day, 10,000 per month, and 120 per annum. Cash is 1,000 per day, 2,500 per month. Participating 30,000 per annum. So let's get into the app. As you can get on the App Store, just type in Spot Money. And as it pops up, here we go. Spot Money. And we open it. This is basically the app. So what I want to do is just give you a short preview of the app before logging in. You can get that now. Let's get into the Spot app. As you can see, this is the layout of the app. You have a top up and your cash out. Top up when you want to top your account, cash out when you cash out. It can take about 4 days to cash out. Then we have your cards.
This is the spot card. You have your functions, freeze card, view card info or the set pin, and then you have your virtual card. You do your online shopping if you don't want to use your online, if you don't use your personal card, and then you have link cards to add funds to your account. You go to the shopping trolley. You can see there to take surveys, you'll get 20 Rand. We offer you a loan offer, you get a loan with them, and then you also have your life cover that you can get. That's all according to your credit record. As you can see in the settings here, you have your banking details, your linked bank accounts, the offers that I showed you, the subscriptions. I think that still can come, that function. Let's get into here, where you just basically see you can top up your account and set or cash out, buy airtime for a friend or yourself, pay your bills, DSTV, any other bills, accounts, municipality bills, spot a store where you go into the store, you can create a week code, or you can scan to pay. Spot a friend is basically you can send your friend which uses the app some money, and yeah, and pay beneficiary, you all know what's that. We have the cashback offers where you have your ShopRite checkers, you have your fashion, eating out, takeaways, tech, fitness and wellness, and your outdoor. Each one gives you a cashback reward depending on the required amount that you need to spend. So you can see with Incredible Connection you need to spend about 1,000 Rand to get 100 Rand, and then with ShopRite you need to spend about 500 Rand to get about 50 Rand back. So there is a criteria to spend so you can get back that reward. Yes, Get Help is basically where you can also easily get help on the app. You need any assistance. They are quick and efficient and very professional through the app, and they'll help you. And then we have the Spot Earn, where you can also refer people in your contact list on your phone, and get rewarded with 30 Rand, and your friend can also get 30 Rand when they use the app. So that is also a brilliant thing when you are referring. So that's the app. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate all the support. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.